In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if someone has booked a meeting in Calendly. If you want to quickly confirm whether a meeting has been scheduled, Calendly makes it very easy to find that information. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look so you can see who booked the meeting, along with the key details you may need. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main Calendly workspace. This is where you can manage your scheduling activity, review events, and check bookings. Make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage more than one calendar or workspace. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on Meetings. This section is where Calendly keeps track of your scheduled event activity. It's the main place to go when you want to review meetings that have already been arranged through your booking links. After that, select Upcoming to view your scheduled meetings. This tab helps you focus specifically on meetings that are coming up, rather than past events. If someone has recently booked time with you, this is usually the fastest place to confirm it. Now, browse the list of upcoming events. You should see your scheduled meetings displayed in a list format. Take a moment to scan through the entries and look for the event you want to check. Depending on how many bookings you have, this list may include multiple meeting types, dates, and invitees. When you find the meeting you want to inspect, click on it to open its details. This will bring up more specific information about that event. Opening the meeting is useful because the main list gives you only a quick overview, while the details page shows exactly who booked it and other important scheduling information. Once the meeting details are open, review the invitee information to see who booked the meeting. This is the key step if you're trying to confirm whether a specific person scheduled time with you. You'll typically be able to identify the invitee directly from this section. Finally, check the meeting date, time, and status. This helps you confirm not only that the meeting was booked, but also when it's happening and whether it is still active as scheduled. It's a good habit to verify these details so you don't miss any updates or changes. And that's all it takes to check if someone has booked a meeting in Calendly. Thanks for watching.